Today we're gonna make fried cauliflower nuggets. They look delicious. So this isn't the healthiest recipe, but we tried to substitute some ingredients to make it a little bit healthier. So let's cook. The first thing you're gonna use 2 heads of cauliflower. And then for spices, we need garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, and black pepper. So we substituted cornmeal for flaxseed meal and regular flour for almond flour. And then we're going to use olive oil, and you can pick whatever sauce you think you might like. We're also going to need almond milk and salt. The first thing we're going to do is mix up our flour ingredients with our spices. So we need a cup of the flour, a half a cup of the flaxseed meal, and we're going to need a tablespoon of garlic powder, a tablespoon of onion powder, and a tablespoon of salt. Lastly, we're going to need a half a tablespoon of pepper, and then a half tablespoon of paprika. We're going to mix all these up. Make sure all the spices are in there evenly. And then the next thing we're going to do is cut our heads of cauliflower into pieces. So you can kind of cut smaller pieces or larger pieces, whatever consistency you think you're going to like. And then you guys missed a step when we soaked our cauliflower pieces in almond milk. We just put them in a bowl and shook it up and made sure they were all coated nicely so that our flour would stick to them. And now we're going to put them in our oil. And you just want to fry them until they're golden brown. And we're going to flip them about, halfway through to make sure all the sides are getting fried evenly. Take them out. This is what they look like. They look really good. So now you can add whatever sauce you like, or just, make some dipping sauce if you want. So remember, guys, like, subscribe, share this with maybe someone who isn't a vegan or vegetarian. They might like this recipe. Thanks, guys.